Alright, the BMX park in Riverdale. Here with Indy, and we'll get started. Alright, fork in the trail. Stopped right there. And now we're heading this way. First glance at the Weber River. See some ducks. It's a lot colder today. It's 32 degrees. I was a little worried about her not having a light jacket, but with us being only 2.5 miles total, shouldn't be too bad. We'll get her heart pumping here in a minute. I always like walking on this stretch. You got the can't really talk with those jets overhead. There they go. You got the Frisbee golf course here. It's a pretty good Frisbee course. Not as well known as Fort Ventura or as famous, but I've always enjoyed it. There's a look back. The course is off to the right. You come down this path and then go down here to finish the course. And it goes all the way over. And these, I believe, are new. Because I don't remember them. Though those look pretty old. So I don't know. I really can't remember all these T-posts. So we'll see what they do with all this, the train. I'm guessing this is going to change drastically. This may have just been all woods too. It's kind of looking that way, doesn't it? It looks all mulch now. I don't know what's going on with this. It's kind of sad to see, actually. I'm pretty sure it was all this. I'm not sure. But this will be changing. Mark my words. Which is a reminder of why I do these little small videos for myself. To go back and see how much has changed over the years. I wish I would have done it before. So I'm just gonna do it now. Just a little documentation. Hopefully I watch it before I die. If I live to be 60, 30 years from now, this might be cool. Or it might be super lame. Who knows? But I'm doing it anyway. So this little small series that I'm doing right now along the Weber River, mainly. So plans of doing the Ogden River pathway too. Just the two most paths that I've ever used, and I've taken them a lot, or take them a lot. And this is my local home, so the Ogden River will always feel like my home river, mixed with the Weber. Yeah, this definitely didn't look all like this. I don't remember what it used to look like, but not this. Really, I'm curious to see what they do with it. Alright, so you got more of this on the left, and you got the trailer court right here, the Weber, and just up ahead is the golf course. To be honest, I'm not even sure what golf course it is, or how to even get there. To be completely honest, I'm sure somewhere over here, but some fun fishing down here. I actually just went fishing here not that long ago. The first mile only caught one, and I reached a certain point up here, caught 3 in one hole. So sometimes this section will do it to you. It's one of the prettiest sections on the river. It's a nice deep hole right there. And it comes up. Then actually up ahead, there comes a waterfall. Well, we're getting back to the trees. It's no longer plowed on the left side. Hopefully it gets left alone to stay like this. This trail's got a few garbage cans, a few places to sit. And then we got the highway right next to us. You can hear that, unfortunately. Check out that house and this one on the corner. They almost have a nice view if it wasn't for those power lines. Almost reaching the bridge. End of our journey. Okay, that path is like a Weaver River Loop Trail. Does that actually go out and back? No, I have to take that. I only have in the past to go fishing, and it's mostly a bike trail. But I don't remember if it used to have dirt or not. We'll go to the bridge that I was gonna finish at, and I may actually go up that. I need some extra steps in my day, anyways. Like I said, this is only about a 2.5 mile hike. I'm trying to get in 5 today. I could do this thing twice, but all right. Well, look, I might check back in after I go look at the maps to see if that's actually a loop that I can easily do without getting muddy. We already did that yesterday. I like to avoid that. Alright, I'm going to try it. I'm just going to go until the cement runs out. I feel like that's a better answer. It might be right around the corner. Who knows? So, like I said, I've only been through this in the past. Trying to go fishing on dirt. But we're going to actually just take the trail and see where this goes. See, it may just end here. I talked too prematurely. And I don't know if I really want to play that game today like we did yesterday. We got mud tracked all over the car and everything, so. Alright. Well, that's a wrap. No overnight camping. Authorized vehicles only. Bikes yield the people, people yield the horses, and everybody yields the horses. Thank you, Ramp. We appreciate the trails. And I will see you guys next time. Thanks for joining the Riverdale Weaver Trail.